Hello, everybody. My name is Mark Schuyler. Welcome you to this presentation of the Power Lead System. Before I ever get started in this, I want to let you know a little bit about me. I am a father of 3 kids, but I'm raising 4. Um, just to let you know that when I first started in affiliate marketing a few years ago, I was struggling. I'm working a full-time job right now from 9 to 5, and I was when I started this. Whenever I started affiliate marketing, I was doing that. And my problem was when I first started that I got distracted. So then I wound up quitting, then getting back in. And so I decided to say, enough is enough. I need to get serious about something. And I found a Power Lead system, and I love it. And I'm going to give you guys a brief tour on everything that you need to know. Okay, so anyway, I'll let you know that, so basically what Power Lead System is a lead generation platform. This is a way to generate leads for your business, or if you don't have a business and you decide to join Power Lead System, they give you all these funnels. Okay? So chances are, if you're on my team, you have a shared code you can use for Power Lead System. If not, and you want to join, I'll break down a comp plan for you and see if it's right for you or not. But anyway, so you get all these right here, and then with the Power Lead System, you get an autoresponder. But I do encourage you to get one and learn about what an autoresponder is. What an autoresponder really is, I can tell you that briefly, is a way to follow up with your leads. Just so I'll let you know that. So anyway, let you know we do have training Monday through Thursday. On Monday we have a fast start training that starts at noon, and on Thursdays at 6, and at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Thursday, our CEO Neil Guest does a phone call. You call into the number, he answers questions from the CEO, so that's really cool. So anyway, just thought to let you know that this company's been around for 10 years. We're coming up for our 10th anniversary of this month in October 2023. And I just thought I'd let you know that, point that out. And anyway, so just to let you know, when you decide you want to become a gold member of the Power Lead System, which will run you about under $60, and you get all this stuff. You get the lead generation, you get the autoresponder, you get the training, and you get all this stuff. So just to let you know that. So anyway, I'm going to break down the comp plan for you guys, how it works. So anyway, so when you refer 3 people, your gold membership is free. So each person that you refer to becomes a gold member. You earn $20 on each person. So say like if you refer 20 people, okay, that's $400 right off the bat. So just to let you know that it's $400, and so you can get that every month. Now you can make more than that, of course, but just for an example. So it tells you the price right there. So, and each person that they refer you make a 50% matching bonus. Just thought I'd bring that out. So that's just to tell you about that. There's a video of it. It breaks it down for you. Just thought I'd let you know. So anyway, perpetual leverage. So this breaks down on all the other courses we have, which means right here. So if you purchase free ad stickers, it's a one time, no monthly, a one time 147. And somebody you refer to, as long as you're owner of that course, you earn a $50 commission. for each person, no matter what. So I have to know that. So anyway, Elite Generation Academy it is 105 a month. Okay. This, you make a $45 residual commission when someone you refer to buys this course too, as long as you subscribe to it. So I'll let you know that. That's for each person. Also, keep in mind for all of these here, whoever they refer, you make a 50% matching bonus. Home Business Pro is $497 one time. You make $200 commission. Paid out through every leg, every level, through unlimited depth. Master Traffic Institute to $1,497 one time. You earned $500 commission paid out through every leg, every level, through unlimited depth. So, you guys have an idea of you can make some pretty good money doing all this stuff. So, what I have for you to start for like $1 for a 14-day trial. And just to let you know, you can walk through all that stuff and you decide that it's not for you, you can cancel it and you forget about making all this money. You just shut it right off. And then decide to stick around and work with me. I'll work with you no matter what, and we can become successful at this. Just give it a try. That's all I'm asking. If you ever have any questions, you can email me and I will reach back out to you. I will answer your emails and answer your questions without no problem. And just thought I'd let you know that once again we have a fast start training Monday and Thursday. On Mondays is at noon, and on Thursdays is at 6 p.m. And then, like I said, Monday through Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have a phone call with Neil Guest, the CEO of the Pirate Elite System, which he will do a Q&A with you, and any questions you have, he will answer them. I appreciate you guys. Check this video. Bye.